Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk, and this is going to be cool. We're going to see if ChatGPT can figure out where my photos were taken with no information except for the photo itself by using visual clues. You may have seen this trending online. There was an article a few days ago, and a lot of people are talking about this. It's mildly creepy, but it's also maybe a good reminder, a good lesson to be careful about what you post online. So let me jump right into it. And I'm going to start here. I've got 3 images that I took. One of them here in Colorado at one of the ski resorts. One of them was at a resort in Hawaii on the Big Island, and another one was at a hotel in Houston. Now, the problem is many of our photos have image location embedded into them already. So what we want to do is check on that. In Windows, I'm going to right-click on the photo, select Show More Options, and then go to Properties. Once I get into the Properties window, I want to select Details. And you'll notice this tells you which camera was taken, this tells you the resolution, all that stuff, all the settings, for example. And if you get far enough down, it's going to say GPS. And you'll see in this case, it does in fact have the latitude and the longitude as well as the altitude. So I want to make sure that I erase that information. And the way you do that is by going to the bottom of this little box, and you'll see an option that says Remove Properties and Personal Information. If I click that, it'll then give me another window that gives me a whole list of stuff that I can remove. I'm going to keep everything intact, except I want to remove the location information. So let me see if I can find that. Here it is. Under GPS, I've got latitude, longitude, and altitude. I'm going to hit OK, and that will remove that information from this image. And if you see, I scroll down to GPS information, there in fact is no GPS section any longer because that information has been removed. So I'll do the same thing for the other 2 photos as well. Okay, so I've got all 3 of these pictures here in this folder. The location information that's embedded in the photo has been removed. So there's no way that ChatGPT could figure out where these photos were taken without actually using the visual clues. And so we'll start with this photo. Again, this is from outside of a window at a hotel in the Houston area. And let's see if we can get this into ChatGPT. I've got my ChatGPT window opened up behind here. I erased all my history, so that's not going to have an impact on this either. I'll simply drag and drop this photo into the ChatGPT window. You see my picture is now there. And all you got to do is simply put Ask ChatGPT, can you tell me where this photo was taken? ? And we'll hit go. And it should come pretty quickly. It's not generating an image, so it should be able to figure out pretty quickly what it knows here. So let's take a look. All right, so here is the result from ChatGPT. This photo appears to be taken from a higher level, perhaps a hotel or office, correct, overlooking a modern business district with a body of water, likely a man-made lake or pond. It goes on to say the buildings and general layout resemble The Woodlands, a master-planned community just north of Houston, Texas. And that is spot on. The architecture and the lake setup look particularly similar to Hughes Landing, a well-known area in the Woodlands that features a mix of offices, retails, restaurants, and a boardwalk by the lake. And that is 100% accurate, but I wonder if it can tell me exactly which hotel I took this photo from, because it was in the Hughes Landing area of the Woodlands. So let me ask it, can you tell me which specific building this photo was taken from? Let's see. Okay, so now it says key observations. This image was taken from a high vantage point. There's a pool deck with cabanas and a pergola. The view shows the lake in Hughes Landing and the building directly across the lake with TWR. Likely candidate, Embassy Suites by Hilton. Oh my gosh. From this photo, it's got some reflections in the window. It's got some buildings, but none of them even really say a name on them. I don't know. I'm pretty blown away and maybe kind of freaked out at the same time. I mean, this really makes you second guess about posting stuff online. Let's try another picture. So I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to do a new ChatGPT window, and let me now try another photo. We'll try this one. This one is from the Big Island of Hawaii, and I'll ask the same thing. Can you tell me where this photo was taken? ? Okay, maybe that one was too easy. I don't know. I mean, the photo is, in my opinion, I guess if you know the area, but how does ChatGPT know exactly what this is? Because look, they nailed it. This photo appears to be taken at the Hilton Waikola Village on the Big Island of Hawaii. The distinct architecture with the tall columns, the waterway, and the lush tropical surroundings are signature features of that resort, which is true. It's 100% true. That's where that picture was taken. Okay, one more test, and this one, we'll see. I mean, this one is taken in the mountains of Colorado at a ski resort, and I'm not sure if they'll be able to tell exactly what's going on here. The only thing I'm thinking with this photo, and let me just show you the picture real quick, is that it's probably going to read these signs and figure out where these runs are. It's pretty blurry. It's not super detailed here, but I bet you ChatGPT is going to read that sign and tell me exactly where this is. I believe this is Breckenridge, but I'm actually not even sure. It might have been Keystone. It was one of those, but let's ask. Where was this photo taken? I'll hit submit and see what ChatGPT can do. And within a matter of seconds, it's already given me a response, and it says, the photo looks like it was taken at a ski resort in a mountainous region. Okay, that's right. Based on the snow-covered slopes, the pine trees, and the layout of the ski trail, it's likely somewhere in the Rocky Mountains, possibly in Colorado. Okay, that's accurate. The sign in the center of the image is a ski trail sign. It appears to have trail names and difficulty ratings, which are common at major ski resorts. Interesting. So it could not give me the specific name of the ski resort. Now, let me see. If I tell ChatGPT, this is a ski resort, can you tell me which one? See exactly what it says. All right, this is a ski resort in Colorado. Can you tell me which one? And let's see if it can narrow it down more specifically. Oh, it's given me 2 responses, and it doesn't know. Interesting. It seems to have the name Copper Bowl at the top. So it says those are trail names found at Copper Mountain. That's not correct. These are ski run names, and those specific names are associated with Keystone Resort. So this one, I think it was. I believe this picture is from Keystone. Again, it was one of the 2 days at Breckenridge or Keystone, but I'm going to say that this is right. So not as easy with this one. Interesting that it had more difficulty with that ski picture than it did with the other pictures. Although, you know, this one is clearly in Colorado, and ChatGPT was able to figure that out. I'm kind of blown away, to be honest with you. I didn't expect it to get that specific, to actually figure out which hotel I took that photo from. I do want to point out, I used a 100% free ChatGPT account. We probably would have hit the limit if I had asked it for another photo, because you get to upload 3 images a day with the free version of ChatGPT, and then you hit your limit, and then it tells you, yeah, we can't do any more. So I want to know what you guys think. Is this something that creeps you out? Is this something that you think would be useful? Comment below. I read every single comment. I love to comment back and engage in that conversation. And also, I'd love to hear what other cool prompts you guys are using. If you've got ideas of a ChatGPT video I should be doing next, throw a comment below. My best ideas always come from my comments. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot more cool tech videos coming your way, including more AI videos like this, but also cool tech unboxings, hands-on, just geeky stuff in general, right here on the YouTube channel, Tech It Before You Wreck It. I'm Kirk.